What's going on, family? Today we are going to do one of my favorite fish, salmon, or some people say salmon, whichever way you want to pronounce it. We got the fire going. We're going to put it in one spot. You see that wood there? That's apple wood. Apple wood goes best with fish. It's going to give it a nice little good flavor. As you can see, we wrapped our salmon up in aluminum foil, put some butter, our 4 favorite seasonings. Check the blog out for that. Now we're going to sit that on the grill. We're going to try to cook it at a nice medium temperature. Got a nice taste on it. So we're just going to set this on the grill. So we set it on the grill. As you can see, we didn't sit it directly on the heat. We kind of set it a little bit back so that it'll still smoke. It'll cook real good, but it's not going to be directly on the heat. So we're just going to close it down. And then we'll come back and check it in a little while. All right, family. All right, so we're going to come out and check it, fam. See what we're looking like. We want the temperature to be about 135. So right now it's about 118. So we're going to let it cook just a little bit more. Oh, it's about done right there. Center part. Oh, yeah, it's done. She ready to come on. Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna bring it off then, y'all. We want it to be at 135. It's there. So we about to get it off. And there you have it, fam. A nice grilled salmon. See you next time on the Grilling Oasis.